Have you ever moved to a new country and felt completely lost when it comes to managing money? That was me just a year ago when I moved from Nigeria to the UK. Suddenly, I was dealing with new systems, taxes, budgeting, investment. All of it felt overwhelming, but through trial and error, I learned some powerful lessons. And today, I want to share how you can avoid my mistakes and take control of your finances, no matter where you are starting from. Hi, I'm Michael, a web developer working in the health sector. I'm on a mission to navigate life, finances, and investment. If you are someone who wants to take charge of your financial future, build wealth, or explore entrepreneurship, this channel is for you. Alright, let me take you back to where it all started. I grew up in Nigeria in a small crowded home with my parents and 5 siblings. My dad was a civil servant and my mom worked as a trader. But no matter how hard they worked, making ends meet felt so impossible. I still remember squeezing myself onto the floor mat every night. I couldn't sleep or compare my life to my friends who seemed to have so much more. At times, I cried myself to sleep, wondering why life felt so unfair. Those moments lit a fire in me. I promised myself that I would create a better future for myself and my family. At 18, I started dabbling in side hustles, music production, graphic design, animations, but none of them worked out. Then I became a barber, cutting hair for over 10 years. But as fulfilling as it was to make people look good, I felt stuck, physically drained and emotionally unfulfilled. That's when it struck me. I remember that I've learned web development from free YouTube tutorials for years, but yet I wasn't putting it into practice. So I decided to take it seriously. It changed my life. Web development gave me the skills to earn more. I was able to build my dream home in Nigeria, marry the absolute love of my life, and started a family. But the story doesn't end there. When I moved to the UK, I quickly realized that managing money here was a whole new game. From taxes to budgeting to investing, I was starting from scratch. Honestly, it was so overwhelming. I made mistakes. I overspent on things I didn't really need because I thought they were essential. I missed opportunities to save because I didn't understand how the system worked, but every mistake was a lesson. I started learning the importance of creating a realistic budget, one that included savings and investments, not just expenses. I researched how to invest in the UK, explored stocks and shares ISAs, and began thinking creatively. This journey taught me that financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you manage what you have and make it work for you. I was learning this the hard way. There must be others, especially African immigrants like me, who are going through the same struggles. That's why I created this channel. My goal is to share everything I've learned to help you simplify your finances. Here is what you can expect from this channel. Budgeting made simple. Learn how to create a budget that actually works for your lifestyle. 2. Investment for beginners. I will show you how to start investing even if you are working with a tight budget or don't know where to begin. Then 3. Side hustles inspiration. Turn your passions and skills into extra income streams, even if you are starting from scratch. I'm here to make sure you don't feel alone in this journey. Whether you're just starting out like I was not long ago, or you're looking for new ways to grow your money, this is a space for us to learn and grow together. So, I want to hear from you. What's one financial or entrepreneurial goal you are working on right now? Drop it in the comment section. Also, if you are ready to take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together as a community that is dedicated to achieving financial freedom. In my next video, we will dive into a topic that is close to my heart: why African immigrants don't invest in stocks, and how you can overcome those struggles just like I did and kickstart your first investment portfolio. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for stopping by and for being a part of this journey with me. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about how much you earn, it's about making your money work for you. See you on the next one.